Yes, sir, it's your boy, Be On Boss Up with K. We back with another MEDZOOMER run, and we are going to get to the bag today. We got another 8 subscription drop-offs to drop off today. We're going to make these drops, and then we're going to get back to the money, baby. Let's go. MEDZOOMER prescription delivery. Boss up. All right, so we got a very quick 6 drop-offs today. It's only 6 drop-offs. Thought it was gonna be a little bit more. The orders on the sheet when I was looking at it, but switch stick orders. We're gonna knock these out. Show you how much I made for the day. Hopefully this only takes about an hour, hour and a half at the most. But let's go ahead and count them up. See what we got. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 orders. Let's go, baby. All right, first stop. It's only a minute away on the GPS. So let's get it. Let's get down, 2 down. Just like that. I think our start time was about 1:30. I started a little early today. 1:30 start time, where they got 2 down in 10 minutes, but I know I gotta go a little bit of distance. It's 8 minutes to this next drop off, and then it's probably gonna be like 20 minutes to the one after that. But all in all, we should be still done with this in an hour. I'm trying to keep my $50 an hour goal. That's what I kind of like to make with anything I do, even in my IT profession, kind of my main source of income. I'm right around $45, $50 an hour. Even with every kind of thing I do, I like to be around that price, because that will get you over and above living expenses here in Atlanta. I can take care of my family, and I can have enough money to save and invest in other things. So that's the goal where you want to be. You always want to have a high salary, high skill. Don't have any skill, a lot of these driving gigs can get you close to that point, but you'll never get, all the way up there. So I advise everyone looking at this, don't just settle on doing gig work like this, kind of fill in the gaps. But in order to get where you want to be in life, be successful in life, you have to have a high paying skill. You got to learn something, whether you're doing hair, doing nails, something that requires training, skill, and something that the everyday person just can't pick up and do, which is IT, network engineering. For me, I can pretty much fix anything on the computer and laptop, and install and run most software. So that helps me out. And then this driving stuff fills in the gaps, give me extra money. Buying that van, renting out, or hiring drivers gives me passive income. So it's all about making passive income. It's all about taking this active income where I'm driving around right now and make passive income. So I'm making videos about me driving around, which pays me over and over again every time you guys like and subscribe on the video. All right, I appreciate you guys doing that. So it's a little free game. We almost to the 3rd drop off. I'm gonna hit you back after that one. Yeah. All right. Number 3 done. 3 more to go. We got 3 more to go. We almost done. Let's go. All right. Number 4 down, man. Look at this old folk house, but he running it down. All right, so look. We got 4 down, 2 more to go. Next stop is 10 minutes away.
In 2 miles, take exit 53 for Georgia 139.
And we gonna be there. So come along for the ride, people. We almost done for the day. Sir, last one done. MEDZOOMER. Quick little 6 spot. We out of here.